A little update on the 302. Get things pulled off. These were extremely loose. And then there's a missing one. Everything turned pretty free, so I don't think it was ran like that, but a little annoyed to see that there was a missing screw in here. The battery died as soon as I got out here with my GoPro, but we got the heads off. Used the 18, the handy Harbor Freight set. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can't see it. There's a 5th one there. And again, there's 5 along the side. Bam, don't forget that one. Came off fairly easy. One side was a little stuck, but nothing too bad. So I'm gonna get this pulled off and see what the crank looks like.